God damn. Yo, everybody, how are you? Welcome to Non-Farm Payrolls Friday. Can everybody hear me? If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. And if you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel. It's free. That's all you need to do in order to have the chat liberated, right? So, pretty nice day today. Making money long here on the GBP USD. This is one of my two um, challenge accounts. This one in particular is a two-phase account. I have to hit 6% on this phase and then 9% on the second phase. I am up 3%. And the other one is a one phase challenge, one phase that I need to hit, I think, 12%. So we are on a good path towards getting those funded accounts. Now, I've only, this is all profit from my signals. I mean, I share all my trades. I don't trade on the background by myself without sharing with you guys. So, yeah, I just want to clarify that. So, basically, we have non-farm payrolls Friday. We are looking at a very strong data release today. First of all, average hourly earnings looking higher than the past or the previous numbers by 0.3%. This is very, very key to me. Once because if non-farm payrolls, NFPs beat expectations, but our average hourly earnings month over month decrease, that's very mixed, right? Because yes, we have more jobs, but people are making less money, so it doesn't make absolutely no sense, right? But if we have, higher average hourly earnings and higher job numbers, then this is going to be a very bullish day, right? So, Felicia the Goat, how are you, mate? Yeah, so I'm looking for I'm looking for U.S. equities longs. Now, of course, that I am not going to just blindly fucking buy the S&P 500, right? No. This is non-farm payrolls, guys, and this is going to get very spiky as fuck. So, first of all, I'm only going to risk 0.10 to 0.15% on this trade, on this particular trade, and because I'm looking at a beat, I am going to look for a sweep of the lows to get triggered or filled on a spike lower on a liquidity sweep before the move to the upside. So that's the whole idea that I have, and I'm going to try to find out that. Slovakia in the fucking house. I have my squawk on, so we can hear the release, and let's try to find something nice or some levels to trade, right? So the S&P 500. Okay, cool. The S&P 500. Now, protected lows. I could see myself, but this is way too far. I don't know. Let's have a look at the do. This is the one that I dig. So this is the 5-minute chart on the Nasdaq, and I think that this is the one that I'm going to place. Right? Just have a look at this now. Right here is where we have that bullish order block. Fuck. We have that bullish OB here, right? Um, um, we have we have liquidity. So this is good because we have This is a very weak low, right? This is just liquidity. This is not a swing low. So we do have that bullish order block. We have liquidity here. I'm going to thicken this one out too. Mhm. Save as bullish OB. Yes. And we have the structured lows right here, right now, right here. Now this is a true structured low, guys. So here it is. Here it is. I hate this color. I'm gonna change it to green, dark green. And I'm going to save it as a structured low. Now that I cannot play any music on my shows because of Robbie fucking Williams. Hmm. Spike highs. This is the structure high, right? I mean, not the structure high, but anyways, you feel me. Right, so let's see if we are actually at a premium. I don't know if we were actually at a premium here. If this is the move, right? I don't know if we're at a premium. Oh boy, we are not. I would be actually. Oh, I don't know about this entry. I don't like it. Let's see, 50. Yeah, we are not at a premium zone, but it's fine. You know what? Fuck it. I'll do that on the. Let's look at the 3-minute chart. I actually dig it. Okay, so Eric, did you erase your Trustpilot review, mate? I can't find it anymore. And if you did, you suck. All right, so I'm going to place this with a very low risk. All right, on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, I said the Nasdaq. I'm gonna place this. I mean, I need that liquidity strip right here. So I'm gonna place it around the 1509, the 5909, right? I'm gonna risk only 0.10% on this one because it's non-farm payrolls, right? And we are way up this week. About 3% actually. So I can risk 0.10%, right? So I think it's a 5 lotter. 15.90 what? 15 what? 909 and the stop losses here at the 15,873. 15,873. What? 15,873, I said. So this is a what? $180 risk for a that's a, I don't know. That's a 0.20%. I'm gonna have to take out the calculator, mates, because that is a what? That's around the 0.20%. That's cool. I'm good with this risk. $180. I'm good with this risk. I'm gonna risk the same thing on the other account. Hmm. 15,909 and 15,873. No TP, no TP. We're gonna let this motherfucker ride. All right. Good. $180 risk. Now let me send this to my VAPs. So, um, buy limit 15909. Uh, you know what? I'll copy paste it because I don't want to make a mistake or a typo. So I'll copy paste it. Stop loss, no TP. Risk, oh shit, risk 0.20%. So, all right, there we go. That's my non-farm payrolls play. So, this is my non-farm payrolls play. I want to get funded now with this 100K. I think I'm not going to make it for New Year's, but that's fine. Ooh, oof. So here's what my VIPs have to say about my trading. Great trader overall, following for quite a while now, both with private and funded accounts. Great risk to reward for safe management. And this guy, please do something so that we can copy your trades directly. I'm a busy person and sometimes I couldn't copy your trades and regret over this thing. There are brokers like, well, you're gonna have please do something, right? And this one, thank God I finally put the pieces. Thank God I finally put the pieces together of my life, and now I put Learn to Trade as one of my providers. Life is sweet. There you go. There you fucking go. People are happy. People are making money. People are making money with my signals. If you want to be part of that amazing journey into profits, just subscribe, mates. Just subscribe, right? Here's the. I'm gonna show you my FX book of this 100K challenge. Here you go. This is our account. Yeah. This is I started this challenge on November 20th, so that's about 3 weeks ago. So 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. So in a month, I made about 8%. This is the equity curve. I've had one red day, as you can see here, one red day where I lost 0.39%, and then just green days, green days, green days. Yep, that's what we do on the VIP side. That's what we do. This is a challenge account. I know it's a demo, but I mean, I traded to get funded. You know, I traded as I trade my personal account. So, yep. I mean, my average risk is 0.5% risk per trade. I barely. I mean, and if you notice here, I have a 59% win rate on this 13 or these 22 trades, and the reason is because don't pay much attention to this because of this, right? So I have here this portion of my buys, which already took profits on, right, at break even, and I placed my stop losses at a real break even point.
So we're 10 minutes away now to the bottom of the hour as we wait the NFP report out of the US for November. So looking to the headline, change in non-farm payrolls, a reading of 183,000 expected, a rise from last month's 150,000. On the breakdown, unemployment rate 3.9% expected to remain unchanged. The average hourly earnings month-to-month 0.3% expected, a rise from prior 0.2. The year-on-year figure 4% expected versus prior 4.1. Further change in private payrolls, 158,000.
Yeah, I understand. So what I was saying, I have this at a true break even. So when I get stopped out of break even, this particular trade is going to lose the spread. So it's going to lose about $3, right? Which is going to be taken as a losing position on my FX book. But I don't give a fuck about that. I mean, I don't care about those stats because when I place my those after taking profits and I move my stop losses to break even, I place them at a true break even point because sometimes price is going to come a pip from my entry and then move in my direction. But if I start thinking about, you know what, I'm going to take the spread into consideration because of the win ratio on my FX book, then I'm going to miss on making money. And I'm here to make money. I don't care about those stats. So yeah, don't pay attention to that. All right, now let me just we roll. Okay, so I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs. Hey guys, how are you? Let me just go big here. So, great week today. We have non-farm payrolls Friday, and I am looking at a possible long in the Nasdaq. Now, the reason that I'm looking at a possible long is because if you look at what we are looking at as data coming out, we are looking at a very big beat, not only in employment numbers, but most importantly in average hourly earnings, which is to me the most important piece of data when it comes to non-farm payrolls data dumps, right? So if we get a bit in employment numbers and a bit in average hourly earnings, it's very possible that we're going to have a very bullish fucking day. And I want to get triggered long on a spike low. So if you notice during non-farm payrolls, of course, that we get pre the releases spikes, or liquidity sweeps, and that's what I'm looking for as an entry. So let me show you so you can find the correct level on your charts. Hold on. I'm sorry. All right. So go to the 5-minute chart on the CFD that you trade the Nasdaq on, and look at these two lows. Right. This is the liquidity that I'm waiting for price to sweep. And this is the order block that I am looking to get involved in. So here's my entry, just above that order block right here. Stop losses are below the structure low or below this low right here. Boom. I have no particular target because I want to let it ride if I get filled. Okay. So risk is very low, and let's have a great day. All right, cool. So now we have 7 minutes until non-farm payrolls. Uh-oh. Let's put on the squawk. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Uh, I am going to. Yeah, I'm going to run this through non-farm payrolls. We're going to look at the release together, and yeah, then I'll be on my fucking way. Boom, 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 a ba bum bum, a bum bum bum, a ba bum bum. from Uganda. Gold, is it a sell? Fuck off. Boom, boom. All right, let's just wait for the release. Non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls. Oh, no, no, non-farm payrolls. Hopefully we get triggered here long on the Nasdaq. Just a quick look at the Dow. Where are you, Dow? Here you are. Yeah. I mean, I hate trading the Dow, to be completely honest. That's not my jam. Pretty similar setup on the S&P 500. So let's wait and see what happens. Um, this is, yeah, I mean, it's about 0.45% spike low on NFPs. So let's see if we can get triggery. I mean, if we lose this trade, I mean, if I lose this trade, I don't know if you are in it with me or have placed it with me. I don't care. It's only it's a very small.
So 3 minutes ago now, or just over until the US NFP print for November. 183,000 expected for the month, with the unemployment rate 3.9% expected. Average hourly earnings month to month 0.3, while the year-on-year reading 4.0%. The labour force participation rate expected from the US at 62.7%. And on the breakdown for NFP, private payrolls 158,000 expected, manufacturing 30,000. As well, at the bottom of the hour, we have the Canadian capacity utilisation rate for the third quarter, 81.4% expected to remain unchanged.
All right. There you go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see if we get that feel. If we get that feel. I feel that if we get that feel, and if I get stopped out, but this is way too low, and this is not a true spike low. This is actually way too low. Just imagine price spikes down all the way down here. I mean, that's a possibility, right? But it is way too low for a spike low, right? For just a zip. I've never seen an on-farm payroll spike of about 1%. So yeah, that would be a reversal, true reversal. I don't know. All right, 1 minute.
1 minute to go now. 1 minute.
1 minute until non-farm payrolls. 10 seconds.
10 seconds. $199,000 for NFP. Unemployment rate at 3.7%, while the average earnings month-to-month 0.4%. Again, to beat headline NFP 199,000 ahead of expected 183. Unemployment rate dropping to 3.7% versus expected 3.9. Average
Oh
earnings month-to-month of
no, don't tell me I
0.4%, still
didn't get
winning the year-on-year
triggered.
reading. On the breakdown, private payrolls 150,000, manufacturing 28,000.
All
So
right,
that's average
triggered.
earnings year-on-year at 4%, or Power Vision lower at 4.0.
Trigger long NASDAQ. So I'm good with this risk, guys. I am very, very fine with this risk. So let's see if we can get that reversal that I'm talking about. Let's see if we can get that reversal. 80. Moving my stop losses to break even now. Good, good, good.
Seeing the posted number reaction here as stock index futures extending their declines. 10-year Treasury
Break
yields
even
jumping.
now.
Spot gold as well declining
Both.
0.5% after the hotter than expected NFP print, and the unemployment rate coming in at 3.7%.
Oh, well, I got slipped on one of those accounts. Sheesh. I got really slipped here. I can't move my stop losses to break even on this account. That sucks.
Since reaction here, seeing traders pairing ECB wagers, odds now favouring 125 base points of cuts next year.
I really got slipped here. So I'm gonna close at break even. Here, I'm gonna
While
close
US
at break
short-term
even.
interest rate futures sinking after the jobs report,
Sorry,
traders
guys.
reducing bets on Fed rate cuts for next year as well.
Yeah, sorry, guys. I mean, closing here for a small profit. I got slipped. Right, I got super slipped. On the other account, I managed to.
Looking to the
I
full
managed
report here from NFP, job
move
gains
at break
occurred in
even
healthcare and
made
government. Employment also
made
increased in
$4.
manufacturing, reflecting the return of workers from a strike. Employment in trade declined.
Well, that was non-farm payrolls for me. That was non-farm payrolls. Have a look at what happened here. I got. I stopped out of break even on the rest
Again,
of
that
my.
Fed swaps pricing in, just getting wider attention now, less easing in 2024 after NFP.
Yeah, I'm done for the week, guys. I do still have this Aussie US dollar that I don't know if I got triggered on. I did not get triggered on this Aussie USD long. Why didn't I? What the fuck? This is weird. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, my entry is just way below. All right, so I'm done for the week, guys. Profitable week for the team. We made money. We up about 3% on the week. Again, thank you for joining me, and have a great weekend away from the charts. And I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.
Further on the breakdown as well, that's the lowest annual